This is the Elgato Wave Trui. It's an amazing microphone. I really love it, especially for that price. And it's getting kind of old. Like, it's been on the market for quite a long while. At least that's what Elgato thought. I thought it was a great microphone, but Elgato thought it was up for revamp. Yeah, they said that. Yeah, let's go make a new version. So now we have the Wave Trui, and it has some new features. And I think the reason why they did this is because they recently came out with the Wave Link Trui software, and they are having new filters and stuff like that. And this one actually works better with the VST plugins and stuff like that that are built into the microphone. So let's unpack this microphone and see what's inside, and let's compare it to the other one. Open! Microphone. All right. Some paper around it. Gotta figure out how to get that out off without ripping it piece by piece, which I'm doing right now. I love how you guys watch me unpack these things. I'm so bad at unpacking things. But I guess that makes it like an honest review. If you see somebody unpacking something perfectly, that doesn't look like honest. I'm just doing it honestly. All right, I unpacked this part. Cool. Little box with a QR code, which I think is going to the manual. This is a big change, which is the cable. It is wrapped with cloth now, which makes it anti-tangle, which wasn't the case with the other one. Little present. This is like a piece that if you have a microphone arm, you can use this to make sure that it will fit on your microphone arm. And the stand. Oh, important safety instructions is also still in the box. First thing we saw is the cable is different. It's a better cable. Let me plug out the cable for this one because I somewhat tried to like wrap it around it. But I think I failed, you know? Okay. Cool. Okay, the back. The back looks identical, but the front looks a little bit different. I hope you can see it with the light because they're black, and yeah, seeing that black is gonna be harder, but I hope you can see it. The old one has the microphone, headphones, and the arrows, which is like the mix basically, icons, and underneath there's like a row of dots, which is the lights. And for this one, instead of the row, it's just one dot for each. With the microphone, there's also 3 little dots above the microphone. I'm not sure if you can see it. I hope you can see it. But that indicates that it does have voice focus and VST plugins and stuff like that. So what it does is inside this microphone, it does already process your VST plugins and the voice focus, which with this one, it does it in the software, making it faster on this one than it does in this one. Making it, if you listen to yourself, with this one, if you have effects on, you can probably not listen to yourself that nicely because you will hear echo. With this one, you can listen to yourself when you have effects on. So that is really cool. That is a really cool new feature. It also has better clip guard, which means that if you're gonna scream, if you're a horror streamer, you might scream. Otherwise, you still might scream from excitement. It will better protect people's ears. That enormous annoying feeling when somebody screams, that feeling, people will be protected from that better with the new microphone. Does it work with smartphones or tablets? It does. It does. I didn't think it would, but it does. If you're wondering in which side to speak, it will be the one with the Elgato logo right on this side. So don't speak on this side, speak on this side. About 20 centimeters, so about like this. Be like a do bro, and then do like this, and then about this far from the microphone. Yeah, then you're good. If you put it down, as you might notice, I'm a little bit too far away from it. It's still okay, but I would recommend putting it on arm because that is a lot better. You would get better audio from it being on a microphone arm than it would be standing here on your desk. Or if you have a desk stand that will make it higher and be like around here, that would also work. Can you use the pop filter from the first microphone into the new microphone? Let's take a look. Yes, it works. So you can just reuse it. Or just buy one of those, I guess. It will work. It's the same. It will work. I quickly connected the Wave tree to the computer so you guys can listen to how it sounds like. I kind of like already said everything I wanted to say just at the table. So it is kind of awkward that I don't have any text anymore, but I need to say something so you guys can listen how it sounds like. So I'm just talking so you guys can listen to it. All right, so this is just the bare minimum. See, are there any effects? There is an effect on. So the expander is on and the voice tune is on weak. We can put a compressor on and an equalizer on. So that is how it sounds right now. The voice focus is on pretty strong as well. So this is how it sounds like, the Wave 3 microphone, the new and improved one. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, Elgato, for sending me this new Wave 3. I really appreciate it. It is beautiful. Thank you so much. If you guys want to see some more Elgato products, I would recommend these videos here and some other streaming related videos. And I hope to see you in one of my other videos.